Yep.
Hola, chicos.
Hola, chicos.
Está mal.
Estoy muy mal.
Whoa! Who's that?
Conrad?
Chico.
Conrad.
How do you die so fast?
Because there's a coil head.
Who was
There's a
that?
coil head, man.
Is that Gage? Alright, man. Now, you're not going to do it to me, though. Because we go way back. Bitch ass. Fuck you. Alright, man.
Is it okay in there?
I actually kind of like it. I think you might like it as well.
Really?
Yeah. No, genuinely, like there's actually like some cool like Dishonored style game in there that I was playing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
In there?
It's pretty sick. Yeah, you gotta go just in to the left a little bit and just keep going. No, check it out, man. Yeah, for real, check it out.
Huh?
Yeah. Or they don't call me $2 muck. Hey, man, I don't think you found the game.
I think I did. Doesn't look like it's like it's good as though. Here, jump it is.
I think you gotta look harder.
Doesn't look very.
Hola, chicos.
Hola.
Hola, chico.
Hola, chicos.
Chica. Let's go.